Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my dear students, in this textbook problem exercises series, TBE series of grade 10 chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions. In the last video, we have seen 7, 8, and 14, 13, and 14, right? Yeah, by mistake. So let us continue this series and without wasting time, let us get into this. But before going it, I just want to remind you, my dear students, while watching videos, please have a pen and paper with you, or sorry, book with you, and write the running notes. Okay, do not copy each and every step. How to, whenever I tell you what are the basics and what are the things which are required, okay, to solve a problem, copy it, and whatever important thing you feel and whatever you need, you please you please note them. And after this video, after once you understand it, so then what you repeat the problems. My motive is to explain you and make you learn. It is not about views, it is not about repeating views or clicks or whatever terminology it is there in YouTube. I am not into it. I am only here to I want you to learn. Understood? So what I was going to tell you, actually why this came into my mind, because I wanted you to stop, and if you are unable to understand it, repeat it. Okay, so I request my dear students who are little bit low in their basics, or who want to improve their basics, please repeat this each and every question 2 to 3 times so that it sits into your mind. And make sure that you keep the laptop in a way so that your parents also can see what you are watching, and try to have your earphones or something and don't distract, and listen. The more you listen, the you will understand the concept better, and in the same way try to do along with that. So with this starting words, let me go for the 10th problem, or how many? Yeah, ninth problem, right? Good. So let us go to the ninth problem. Okay. So, the ninth problem, what is the ninth problem? Let us read the ninth problem. What does this ninth problem states? The ninth problem states that if the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8, respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So, let us see what is given. Third and ninth times of AP are 4 and 8 minus 8 respectively. That means what? What is given, my dear students? Given third term A3 equals 4 and A9 equals minus 8. Which term of this AP is 0? Which term? Which term? That means you don't know that term, so therefore nth term is equal to 0. Understood or not? He wants what is n. Number of terms, I doesn't mean number of terms here. A n is 0. So which term means you have to find what is n. Here n means not a number of terms. Here number n means the term which is 0. Is it right? So an is given, n is given, a3 and a9. Let us solve. I think it is the same concept as 7th and 8th question, right? Let us see. A3 is equal to 4, that is a plus 2 times d is 4. This is first equation. And here also a9. A9 means what? A plus 8d equals minus 8. This is second term. Is it? Sorry, ninth term. Is it right? So we have to find out which term of this AP is 0. An is equal to, we have to find. Now when you have two equations and two variables, and can you see that the coefficient of A is same? So what can we do, my dear? What is the concept? Sorry, I forgot to write the concept. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. With this help, we got it, right? So below the other, because I don't have enough space, I am writing over here. Now second equation, from second equation you subtract first. So a plus 8d is equal to minus 8, and a plus 2d equals 4. Subtract, my dear students. So 8 minus 2, it is 6d equals minus 8 and minus 4, minus 12. So d equals minus 12 by 6, that is equal to minus 2. 6 2s are 12 and it is minus 2. And once you got D, substitute D is equal to minus 2 in any equation. Let us go for first equation. So write the first equation. A plus 2 times B equals 4. So A plus 2 times minus 2 equals 4. So A plus into minus, minus 2 to the 4 equals 4. So transpose. So A is equal to 4 plus 4, that equals 8. So you got A is equal to 8 and B equals minus 2. So which term? Which term? So you have to find out and write. So let us substitute in the concept. Nth term is equal to now An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is An? 0 equals what is A? What A is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into what is D? It is minus 2 times minus 2. So now there are two important concepts here. So when you transpose 0, minus 8 equals n minus 1 into minus 2. Right, my dear students? So 0 minus 8 is minus 8 equals n minus 1 into minus 2. So now when you transpose, which one you have to transpose? Minus 2. Minus 2 when you transpose, some of the students made a mistake. Minus 2 when you transpose, you will tell plus. So no, what is the operation between this n minus 1 and minus 2? Multiplication. When you transpose multiplication, it transposes and becomes 2. If it is in numerator, it becomes 2. It goes to denominator, right? Without changing of sign. Understood? Without changing of sign. Sign changes only when you transpose addition, and when you transpose multiplication or division, sign do not changes. So that implies minus 8 divided by minus 2 equals n minus 1. So minus and minus gets cancelled. 8 divided by 2 is 4 is equal to n minus 1. Transpose minus 1, it becomes 4 plus 1 equals n. So that implies 5 equals n. So here, what is 5? What is the question asked? Don't write n is equal to 5, therefore 5 terms. No. Which term? So therefore 0 is which term? Fifth term. So therefore 0 is fifth term. Understood, my dear students? So this is you have to follow and do the steps according to the question he asked. Got it? So yeah, coming to the 10th question. So the 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find common difference. See, if I tell you the what is given data, the problem everyone can do. You understood? Even the one with having only the formula also can do it. But you have to get what is given in terms of mathematics. Okay, that means numericals. So not statements. So here the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Yeah, this statement looks like the statement which we have studied in simple equations, right? So try to write it as mathematical statement. 17th term, can you write it as A17 exceeds 10th term, can you write it as A10 by 7? So did I simplify the given statement, the word statement which is in words into mathematical statement? Okay, so now A17 exceeds. What is the meaning of exceeds? It is more. Understood? A10. So it is A17 is more than A10 by how much? By 7. So that means what? You will get you will get A17 by adding 7 to 10. See, there are two. There you can understand by two ways. A17 exceeds A10 by 7. Or some people can understand that, yeah, what is the difference between these two is 7. That means since A17 is bigger one, A17 minus A10 is equal to 7. Both are same. When you transpose A10, it will come. Whatever is convenient for you, you write. Okay, so both are convenient to me, but let me write anyway. I have written this in the second way, so you can go here. This is given. Now, that implies what is the concept, my dear students? The concept is nth term. Nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. You would have observed that in every problem I am writing this. Why? Beta, it is not for my YouTube channel, it is only for you to make you understand that even when you are doing it rough, please make sure you write your formulas, because once it gets habituated or when it becomes a habit, so then even in examination, and if you are trying to do problems in a faster way also, it automatically comes out. Understood or not? So this is called as pen habit and pen speed. So pen habit you have to improve by writing even the slightest details even when you are practicing. Okay, so this 1 second or 2 seconds or 5 seconds will improve you, will help you a lot during examinations. The only difference between the toppers and high achievers. High achievers actually are toppers, but toppers are not high achievers. Okay, toppers actually they become the high achievers become toppers by writing these minute details. Understood? Especially in CBSE examinations. So anyway, come back. So let me go with the statement that implies what is A17? Can I write it as A plus 16D? Since there are two terms, keep it in bracket, and minus what is 10D? So it is A plus 9D. Since I have two terms, keep it in bracket, equals 7. Understood? Now let me open the brackets. A plus 16B. See, when I am subtracting, we change signs in every term, right? Why it happens? See, minus of A, minus of plus, minus 19 equals 7. See, did you understand why we are, see how it changes actually? It is because of A minus A gets cancelled. That implies 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9, it is 7. 17 equals 7. So implies D equals 7 divided by 7, that is equal to 1. So common difference is 1. So once we got common difference, what is it we have to find? Common difference. Yeah, common difference we have achieved. See, I was thinking that as previous problem we have to substitute it, find A and all these things. But see, in between after this, I checked what to find. So what to find? It is common difference. So problem solved. I hope you understood, right? So please try to change these kind of statements into mathematical statements like this. This is very, very important. If you are poor in this, so please take textbooks of grade 7 simple equations, grade 8 algebraic expressions or linear equations, and grade 9 linear equations in two variables. Solve these word problems. Anyway, you are practicing the same word problems in quadratic equations, polynomials, sorry, not polynomials, quadratic equations and linear equation in two variables. So practice them, then you will understand this. Okay, done. So let us go to the next props. This is also one of the good problem. Which term of an AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? More than, exceeds, less than, twice, thrice. These are all statements, right? We have done it in 7th grade simple equations. If you have this problem, please go to 7th grade textbook and try to solve them by yourself and check the answers. Anyways, which term of AP? Yeah, they have given AP. So once they give AP, what can we find? We know first term. Can we find D? Yes, sir, we can find D. So let us find out solution given. AP is equal to, so AP is not is equal to 3 comma 15 comma 27 comma 39 so on. Okay, so now from this we can find out A is equal to the first term 3 and D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. Since he has given it as an AP, no need to check it, and other things we cannot find. But now which term? So that means AN is equal to how much? Okay, AN is equal to how much? such that a, and now substitute in place of all these things. Which term in place of which term? An, you substitute which term of AP in place of which term of AP? An. An will be 32 more, 132 more than 54. Let me write now. An is 132 more than what? 54th term. So A54. Did it become simple? See, this is the way you have to solve the problems. A and E is 132 more than A and A54. That means what? A and E is, whenever E is there, is equal to 132 more than A54. That means A54 plus 130. Everybody समझ लाया? Understood? समझ में आया? इतना सिंपल है, खाली समझो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, देखो उन्होंने जो दिया वो स्टेटमेंट को लेके you just try to make it into mathematical equation. So now it is very simple, and we all know that. Now substitute the values. What is an, my dear students? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, what is A54? A plus 53d plus 132. See, now that implies what? We know d, right? So we can substitute it. So a plus a plus n minus 1 into, what is d, my dear students? 12 equals a plus 53d plus 130. See, on both sides you have a with the same sign and with the same coefficient. Can you cancel? If anybody doesn't understand, transpose a to this side. A, this plus a will become minus, so both of them get cancelled. Okay. Now 12n minus, you have to distribute it, right? 12 into 1, 12. And 53d transpose minus 53d equals 132. Is it right? So minus 12 transpose that side. So 12n minus 53d equals, already we have 132. Minus 12 when you transpose, it will be plus 2. Now, so where, what we do? What we do somewhere? We have seen something. Yeah, 12. D is 12, right? So, no, 1 minute. I have made a mistake over here. So, mistake means what actually? D I can substitute here also, right? So, 12n minus 12 equals 53 into 12. 12 3s are 36. 3 carry on. 12 5s are 60. 60 plus 3 is 636 plus 130. Now minus 12 when you transpose, it will be 12n equals 636 plus 132. 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 6 8 plus 12. That implies 12n is equal to 768 plus 12 is it 780. So that implies n is equal to 780 divided by 12. How many times? 12 6 are 72, and 78 minus 72 is 6. 6 and 0, it is 60. So 12 5s are 60. So what did you get? N is equal to 65. So he is asking which term. Which term is an? So therefore A 65. Therefore A 65 is 132 more than A54. Is it clear, my dear students? See, if you have written the given data, no need to panic. See, just you have forgotten. I have forgotten to substitute 12 over here, right? So I hope you understood this. Yes, beta. The 12th problem, two APs have same common difference. So that means two different APs. Let me explain you with an example. So let us say that one AP is starting with 2 and another AP is starting with your wish 8. Okay. So have same common difference. So shall I take common difference as 10? Okay. So the next will be 12, 22, 32, so on. Right. So let us say the fifth term also 42. And now here in the second AP, what is the common difference? Common difference is 10. So can I take it as 18, second term, and 28, 38, 48, so on. Now, what will be the common difference between any two same term? So that means let us take what is the difference between the third term. What is the common difference? 22 minus 28 is 6. What is the difference between the first terms? 8 minus 2 is 6. And what is the difference between the fifth terms? 48 minus 42 is 6. And what is in the same way, what is the difference between 100th term of the first one and 100th term of second one? 6. So if both of the arithmetic progressions have same common difference, then difference between nth term of first AP and nth term of second AP will be 6. Will be same. Understood or not? So depending upon the first two terms. Is it clear? See, if it is not clear, you can repeat this bit at least for 2 or 3 times. You will understand. So otherwise, simple. Start your take any number, okay, any number, and start the AP or the first arithmetic progression. Taken. Now you write 5 terms of that particular AP. Written. Good. So now take any number, whether any real number, okay, any real number. Take it. Now, since the common difference of first AP and second AP is same, now write first 5 terms of the second AP. Done, done, done. Right. Now, find the difference of first terms of both AP. First term of AP1 and first term of AP2. Did you do? Good. What did you get? Save it. Now find the difference of the second terms of AP1 and AP2. You got something? Are they equal? Yes, they will be equal. So what did you understand here? Two arithmetic progressions having same common difference. Okay, same common difference will have the difference of their terms, same terms, equal. Understood? Now, with this concept, let us go to the problem which is given over here. So, solution. So, he didn't give any APs, right? Let first term of AP1 is equal to first AP or of first AP is equal to A. So second term will be A2, capital A2. Third term will be A3, so on. So now first term of second AP. Let us take it as B. So first term is B. So second term will be B2. Third term B3. 100 term B100. 1000 term B1000. So on. Understood? Don't get confused. Very simple. And common difference. Since he has told that common difference of two APs is same. Of two APs is equal to D. Let us take this D. Okay. Now, what is given, my dear students? It is given that the difference between 100th terms is 100. So that means he has given that A100 minus B100 is equal to 100. Don't get confused by these numbers. Just write the steps and follow. Just write the concept and follow it. So A100, how will you write? Acha, if you get a doubt. So what is the concept? I have forgotten to write the concept over here. Uh, nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So A100 is equal to A plus 99D. And since common difference is D, let us write it in brackets, minus, what is B100? In brackets, B plus 99D is equal to 100. Is it clear? So now A plus 99D minus B minus or plus minus 99D equals 100. Is it right? Now, are you able to understand something? So 99D minus 99. When you cancel, so what happens? What happens here? A minus B. So that implies we got A minus B is equal to 100. Save it. Keep it on. And now he is asking what is the difference between their thousandth term. So that means that what we have to find, A1000 minus B1000 is equal to. So you have to find, right? So that is equal to, what is A1000? A plus 999D. Since there are two terms, keep it in brackets, minus B1000. B plus 999D. So that is equal to, let us open the brackets, A plus 999D minus B minus into plus minus 999D. So, sir, why you have taken same D? Because he has given common difference is same for the two APs. So now 999D and 999D gets cancelled. That is equal to A minus B. And what did you get in first equation? So A minus B is equal to 100. So it is 100. So therefore, difference of 1000 terms is equal to 100. Is it clear, my dear students? Just follow the concepts, nothing. So, 15th question states that for what value of n, the nth term of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 17 are equal. Okay, for what value of n? That means you have to find n. That we understood, sir. So solution, let n is equal to, you have to find. Now what is given? First AP. What is first AP? So let us take first AP. So first AP is 63, comma 65, comma 67, so on. So what is first term? A is equal to 63. And what is B, sir? A2 minus A1 is equal to 65 minus 63. That is equal to 2. So you got A is equal to, you have to find n. How will you find? They are saying that nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. So let us write second AP. Here, if you don't get confused, can I write? Okay, let me write. It is 3, 10, 17, so on. See, what is the first term? See, since I have written first term like small a, can I use small b here? B is equal to 3. B means first term. And what is common difference? The common difference 10 minus 3. So B2 minus B1. So that is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. So the common difference of AP2, let me write this as D1 and this as D2. Okay. So D2 is equal to 7. Okay. So that means nth term of AP, okay, and the first AP is equal to nth term of second AP. So that means what? Given nth term of first AP is equal to nth term of second AP, right? So first term AP, how will you write? First nth term of, sorry, nth term of first AP, A plus n minus 1 into D1. Okay, that is equal to what is nth term of second AP? P plus n minus 1 into D2. Now substitute the values. What is A of first AP? 63 plus n minus 1 into D1. What is D1? 2 is equal to B. What is first term of second AP? 3 plus n minus 1 into what is common difference of second AP? 7. So sir, this became an equation, and in this equation you have two variables and both are equal, right? So then you can find out that particular variable. So 63 plus 2 n's are 2n plus into minus 2 ones are 2 equals 3 plus 7n's 7n plus into minus 7n's are 7. Now you have variables over here 2n and 7n. Which one you want to transpose? I told you that transpose the variable with lower coefficient, right? So 2n transpose that side. So that means transpose all the numbers this way. So 63 minus 2 and this is 3 plus 3 when it transposes minus 3, and here it is minus 7 when you transpose it is plus 7 equals, now what is left out? 7n and plus 2n when you transpose minus 2. Okay, now let us see 63 minus 2 61, 61 minus 3 58, 58 plus 7 65, 65 is equal to 7n minus 2n 5n. So now you have to transpose, find out n. So transpose 5. 65 divided by 5 is equal to n. Is it right? So therefore n is equal to 13 because 13 is 65. So n is equal to 13. That means what? 13th term of first AP will be equal to 13th term of second AP. So therefore 13th term of first AP is equal to 13th term of AP2. Understood, my dear students? So simple. So it's already 33 minutes. Let us conclude this. And students, my dear students, please practice. Please practice. The more you practice, the more you understand. And arithmetic progression, it's full of logic, and application of concept is also there, and logic also you have to apply. So arithmetic progressions, according to me, it's a very good chapter where you can improve your logical thinking, critical thinking, and also the application level, application skills, and communication skills, can I say, because you have to understand the statement and you have to write it into mathematical statements. So you have so many skills in this to apply, and try to understand the problem, repeat it many times, and let me give you the advice, my dear students, whoever is preparing for grade 10, whether it may be basic or standard, please try to do textbook examples and textbook exercises. Textbook examples and textbook exercises at least three times, and if you do 5 times, it will be lot good. And inshallah I will be explaining you the exemplar problems also, so it will be good if you complete them all the problems at least thrice, and after that you go for any question bank, your wish, whether it is your relatives or your friends or your anyone in the whole world, because NCRT textbooks are the encyclopedia of for mathematics especially. The old textbooks are very good, and new textbooks are also because the curriculum is rationalized. You will have few concepts, but they are encyclopedia. So if you please, as dear activity in UAE, we do drop everything and read dear activity, right? So you try to use mathematics textbooks also in the dear activity. you will understand better. You read the theoretical part of the mathematics textbook. It will be very helpful, my dear friends. So, and yeah, one more, what is that called as? Request. I heard in one of the videos who explains scientific. I follow Triurati because he explains very good so many things. So in that, no, not actually not in his. So some others. So when I was watching, he was telling that if you like and comment, the more likes are there. If you press likes more, I think the video will be pushed up in the level by YouTube. It seems, I don't know. I don't want to go into this one. The main aim is you to learn, and I'll be happy if it reaches to anyone in the world, and if they learn some of one, even one concept. I'll be happy, and I'll be thankful to you people, and also to my Almighty who has given me the opportunity to teach the generation of this decade. And with this, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you guys. Please practice. Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.